Yeah, so I was a construction company that was probably turning over £200,000-300,000 every year, completely on the tools still. And I couldn't see a way out of being on the tools. It was like every time I tried, I just came up against hurdles and not quite knowing what to do, how to price properly or anything like that. And that was probably my biggest hurdle, really, just the costing of projects. I guess, I don't know, I just woke up one day and thought, I'm going to Google if there's any help out there. And then I came across Greg's book. And then I read that and I pretty much delved straight into it. And then any book recommendations Greg made in his book or from his podcasts, I just hammered everything. And from that initial finding, I read about 80 books, all from recommendations of the podcasts that he did. And I took in all the free information that was out there. But then I got it to a certain point and then just realized I've taken it as far as I can now on my own. And then felt like I needed to take the plunge and have the accountability of the mastermind group. And just to be part of the community where everybody's there doing it, you're all in it together, all learning from each other, bouncing off ideas. It's been incredible. It's been a massive game changer for me. And just to have someone you can ask, are you doing this the right way? Because I've tried and tested so many different routes myself. And I'd just like to know what I'm working on is the right thing to be working on at that time. And learn from everybody else's mistakes, I guess, which is awful to say, but it's I'd rather do that than figure it out the hard way. I think the structure of a business and seeing the organizational chart and seeing what I'm doing, probably what I shouldn't be doing and how easy it is to delegate them things and get them off my workload, I suppose. And that's been an instant game changer. And then, yeah, knowing that there's a plan. I suppose I've never had a plan that's actually set out to aim for something. And like Greg says, it's having that plan is something to aim for when I've just been aimlessly just working and not really knowing what I'm aiming for. So that's been a massive thing, really. I guess watch all the free stuff, I suppose, like go on the podcasts, listen to what he does, see the guests that you've had on the show, like Dan Priestley and all these experts that have been involved, and you can see how legitimate it is. Like all these proper professional people all get together and the information's amazing out there. But yeah, there's only so far you can take it yourself, and you do sort of eventually need that help and the accountability of the team. So yeah, I would recommend that.